Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Withings Body Smart scale. First, unbox your new scale and remove all protective films. Next, download the Withings HealthMate app on your smartphone or tablet. Open the app, create a new account, or log in if you already have one. The app will then guide you through the simple process of pairing your scale using Bluetooth, which usually takes less than 1 minute to complete. Once set up, taking a measurement is straightforward. Simply step onto the scale barefoot and stand still for a few seconds. The Body Smart will then measure your weight, body fat, muscle mass, and bone mass. All your detailed health metrics are instantly available in the HealthMate app. This smart scale can also automatically recognize up to 8 different users, making it incredibly convenient for the whole family to track their progress. The Withings Body Smart offers several advanced features to enhance your health tracking. You can monitor your cardiovascular health with pulse wave velocity measurements and assess your nerve health through the Nerve Health Score. For those who exercise intensely, activate Athlete Mode for more precise body composition readings. If you prefer a private weigh-in, simply use the eyes closed mode to see only your weight on the scale display, keeping other metrics private. To ensure the longevity and accuracy of your Body Smart scale, always place it on a hard, flat surface. Clean the glass surface with a soft, damp cloth, avoiding any abrasive cleaners that could damage it. When the low battery indicator appears, replace the 4 AAA batteries promptly. Remember to sync your data regularly with the HealthMate app to keep your health trends updated and gain valuable insights into your progress over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.